In this video, we'll show you how you can quickly insert a traffic sign from the built-in library and turn it into a precise 3D model placed directly in your project. First, go to the Kobi Signs and Stripes tab and select the Insert Sign Holder command. In the dialog box, select the traffic sign you want to insert from the library. Make sure to enable the 3D option to automatically generate a 3D model of the sign and select the surface onto which the sign will be projected. After clicking Insert, simply select the referencing alignment. The alignment keeps the sign tied to the road geometry, ensuring accurate and consistent placement. In the command line, we'll choose the option of specifying insertion point by station. This lets you define the exact location of your sign by defining station and offset. We'll define the station first. By locking it, you can experiment with offset values without losing your exact location. You can see that the sign placement is interactive. When moving the sign to the opposite side of the alignment, the sign rotates accordingly. Once you define the offset, select OK. Now you can specify the rotation angle of the traffic sign, or press Enter to place the sign perpendicular to the alignment. The Section View insertion displays a clear graphic of the traffic sign along with the essential attributes: station, offset, side of placement, status, name, and dimensions. This makes it easy to confirm that everything aligns perfectly with your design. To add an additional traffic sign to an existing one, run the Sign Holder Manager command and select the existing sign in the drawing. The Sign Holder Manager lets you quickly edit traffic sign attributes, change templates, update statuses and dimensions, and add additional signs. It also includes extra tools that help you work faster. For the purpose of this example, we'll select Add Sign. In the new dialog box, we select the desired sign and click Insert. In the command line, it asks us if we want the insertion point of a new sign above or below. We'll select B for below. We'll leave the rest as it is and close the dialog box. The status, name, and size of the second sign appear neatly below the two signs. Finally, rotate the sign in 3D to review its placement and rotation in the model. That's how quickly you can insert and manage traffic signs in 2D and 3D using Kobi Signs and Stripes.